In this video, I will show you how you can set up Touch ID on any iPad. First of all, just make sure that your iPad supports Touch ID because not all iPads support Touch ID. After you do that, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Passcode. Now to set up Touch ID, just swipe down and select Add a Fingerprint. And after you do that, then just tap on the fingerprint sensor a couple of times to register your fingerprint. Now, your fingerprint sensor might be on the home button or on the side button of your iPad. As you can see, our fingerprint sensor is on the side button, which is located at the top of the iPad. Now, to register the fingerprint, just tap on the fingerprint sensor a couple of times until you register your fingerprint. Just like that. You just continue tapping on the fingerprint sensor until you add your fingerprint. Then tap on Continue. Now from here, just set a lock screen passcode if you have not set a passcode yet. Let's select Use Anyway. And after that, just enter your lock screen passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. And as you can see, we have successfully added our fingerprint to our iPad. Now if you want to register another fingerprint to this iPad, you can do it again by just tapping on Add a Fingerprint. And once you have added your fingerprint, you can open your iPad using your finger. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.